Hello and welcome to our online home workout. My name is Victor Dimo. I'm so excited that today we are going to do a mat exercise and we are going to do it fully facing down. So as some people would call it, downward facing exercises. Our main focus today is going to be our glutes or the bum. We're going to put them on fire. The waistline, we're going to do quite a bit of work there, and our thigh. So nearly from this part going all the way to the waistline and the thigh. So our focus is going to be that one. Get your mat. If you don't have, you can improvise. You can use a towel to just support your knee, or you can just do it on your floor. Make sure it is safe. If you feel like giving up, just endure a little bit longer. This one can't break you, it's only building you. So welcome and let's go. So we're going to do 40 seconds workout with 20 seconds break in between. During the break, we will be holding on the spot. At some point, yes, we will relax. And there we go. This is our first one. Lift side to side. Good job. Making sure your knee is coming 90 degrees to your body. Keep going. It is 40 seconds. Keep pushing on. You want to keep your arms lateral, just straight from the floor all the way to your shoulder. Keep going. I'm burning already. The bums are on fire. Whew. Nice. Lifting that leg up. And was that a break? Relax back, stretch. Stretching your bum. We're on a break. Set. The other side. Go. With the beat. Nice. You want to keep your head facing in front as you push your leg on the side. Good. It is okay if you can't go as high as I am going, as long as you are in motion. Woo. Keep pushing on. Nice. Make sure you are not leaning on the side. You want to stay up straight. And that was a break. Stretch your bum back. It is a 20 seconds break there. The next exercise that we're coming to do, we are going to lift the leg up, set it, and go. Hit up. This one works your back. And the lower back, there you go. Woo. As high as it can go. As if you want to hit your head, the back of your head. Nice. Whew. Smile through. Don't give up. Break. Relax. My back, I can feel it stretched, the extreme lower back. And now we're going to do the other leg, the same thing. Are you there? Set. Go. Let's go. With the beat. Keeping your chest out and don't bend your arms unless you're feeling that you can't support yourself in that position. It is okay to be here, all right? But to get an effective workout, you've got to be straight there. It is okay to go as slow as this if you can go faster, but if you go faster, you're feeling the effect of the workout. So keep the leg up there, keep going, guys. Whew. Break. When we come to the next workout, it's going to work on our side abs. That's the waistline. So we start with the other leg. Woo. This is what you do. Keep the leg straight. Double hit. Stretch it to the side. Double hit. Keep your leg flexed. Are you there? Twist it to the other side. I can feel my side abs, but of course the thighs as well are working out. Keeping the arms straight. When you take it on the side, twist. Ooh. Break. Guys, are you there with me? Stretch your bum out. Lean. Make sure your arms are also stretching out. Get deeper. Set to the other leg. 2, 1, go. Double hit. Stretch back. Double hit. Double hit. Good job. Keeping your leg straight. Don't bend your knee. The moving leg. It's like panel beating. Woo. Keep pushing on. Doing good. Break. All right, guys. Now, for the next 4 exercises, we are going to focus on our lower body. Lower back. So we start here. You're going to lift, stretch, back and down. Let's go. Lift, stretch, back. Keep going. Keeping your leg on the floor. Keep going. Woo. Almost there. Stay with me. There you are. Hands on the side. Stretch out. All right. Stretch. Relax your shoulders. Nice. The next one, you place your right elbow there. This one is straight. Head there. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Lifting them at the same time as high as you can go. For your lower back, for those with sciatica nerve problem, this is a good exercise for you. Lower back pains, keep pushing on. Control. Change. This is amazing. Go. You need them. We're going to stretch the back, stretch the abs, and stretch. Stretch. We are holding here. Now what you need to do here is, as you keep holding, when you feel you get comfortable, you can move your hands out and back and even stretch even further, right? So there you can feel your own body. Pushing your shoulders back, press them on your neck, relax them out. Your thighs, legs are all on the floor. Here. Good. Look at the ceiling or the sky if you're outside, and make sure your neck and everything is stretching out. Pushing your shoulders back. Nice and easy. Oh, there we are. Nice. Woo! Now to relax, to summarize, you can just sit on your legs there and relax there. Give yourself a very big round of applause. That was an amazing workout. 10 exercises, and it was as good as it is. Thank you so much for joining me as we do this. It's a good stretch for your lower back, the bum, and of course your thighs and the side of your abs, the side of blades. See you next time. God bless you.